Hello everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 18 जो कि एक poem है and its name is A Dream Within a Dream. Let's start the discussion of book exercises by discussing questions related to reading comprehension first. The first question is, what idea does the parting of beloved bring into poet's mind? Answer. When poet is giving her love a farewell kiss and is departing from her, he is admitting that his lover was right when she once said that their relationship is nothing but a dream, a fantasy. As one has to awake from a dream, the ephemerality of this relationship was inevitable. It's not just a dream, but a dream within a dream. Second question. What is the theme of the poem and how is it developed in the poem A Dream Within a Dream? Answer. There are multiple themes which can be seen being developed in this poem, like ephemerality, time, illusions of life, and unreality. The poet laments on his departing from his lover and admits that his relationship was no more than a dream. It didn't last long. This shows the ephemerality of life. Along with that, it also shows the unrealistic side of life. In the second stanza, where poet is having sand in his hands, he is actually showing his helplessness, for he can't stop time. Then in the last lines of the poem, poet says that whatever we get attached to in this world is nothing but a dream, a fantasy, and this depicts the theme illusions of life. Third question. What metaphor does the poet use for his inability to hold reality and fleeting times? Explain. Answer. The whole poem is an extended metaphor of reality as the poet is continuously comparing his life and his relationship with the dream. Like a dream, nothing was real or permanent. It was short-lived and fantasy-like. In second stanza, the poet tries to hold sand grains in his hand, but the sand slips through his fingers. The sand is actually a metaphor for time, and poet is showing his inability to hold time. Fourth question. What is the tone of the poem A Dream Within a Dream? Illustrate it with references from poem. Answer. The tone of the poem is very depressing and melancholic as he is lamenting over his separation from his lover. He is depressed upon the temporariness of life and the cruelty of time. He shows his weakness and helplessness when he holds sand and sand slips down through his hands. It shows that he can't stop time. He calls life a dream within a dream out of his sadness that everything in this life is illusionary and fantastical. Everything is unreal. Fifth question. What type of imagery is used in the poem A Dream Within a Dream? What feelings does it evoke in you? Answer. The use of imagery makes the reader to visualize the writer's feelings and emotions. Poe has used images appealing to the sense of sight, such as kiss upon the brow, grains of golden sand, and pitiless waves. These images help the readers to feel the same pain felt by poet. Sixth question. Pick out the examples of alliteration from the poem A Dream Within a Dream. Also describe its rhyme scheme. How does these poetic devices contribute to the music of the poem? Answer. Alliteration is the repetition of the same consonant sound in the same lines of poetry. In the poem A Dream Within a Dream, the use of de in that my days have been a dream and ge in grains of the golden sand are examples of alliteration. Rhyme scheme. A Dream Within a Dream is a rhymed poem, but it doesn't follow a regular rhyme scheme. Both stanzas consist of couplets. Both the stanzas have different lengths. The rhyme scheme in first stanza is A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. In the second stanza, the rhyme scheme is A, B, B, C, 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 D, D, E, E, F, F. There is the repetition of the verse, but a dream within a dream. The poet has added to the musical quality of his poem with the help of reoccurrence of this verse. Question number 7. Why does the poet call life a dream within a dream? Answer. Poet's lover said to him that the relationship is nothing but just a dream. Poet separated from his lover and admitted that his lover was right, and from this incident in his life he learned that everything in life is temporary. Nothing in life is permanent. Even life itself is ephemeral. Poet compares life with a dream because it doesn't matter how beautiful and soothing a dream is, one has to wake up to face the reality. Same is the case with life. Life is not permanent, it's unreal, full of illusions, and it has to come to an end. Eighth question. What did the poem A Dream Within a Dream make you think of, and how did it make you feel? Evaluate. Answer. The poem tells a reader that one should not get too attached to anyone in life, as the life is temporary, same is the case with every scenario of life. They're also temporary. No one can defy time. One has to surrender before pitiless time. Thus, our lives are as unreal and illusionary as a dream. So, we are done with reading comprehension portion. Thank you.